up, guys? We're here with another video, and I haven't been recording a video in a long time. Like, my brother is playing Minecraft now, so you'll hear some noise. Today we will be playing God. There it is. Straight.
How long have you not recorded video? Like,
Actually, no, I think it's 2 months. Strikes out episode 4. Good to be back. Participate. I don't know what it actually means. Yeah, I know what participate means. But I'll do it later. I just want you guys to see. Okay, Usam. And we go up and down and oops. Guys. After this outfit's person who is so fast. Oops! I'm gonna joke for you guys. Why does 10 hit 7? Because 10, 8, oh wait, no, I mean 8, what's out, because 7, 8, 9, no. What? Why do I keep on losing this? No, I spent it on my friends. Replay. Because I'm not going to out. Okay. I'm going to juke every time I play. Okay, this is the next trick. Yeah, about the man who died in the beginning. Oh, he's supposed to die in the dining room that we live in. Okay. What do you mean? My puns are terrible. Then, oh my gosh, it stink. It smells stink. Okay, if my puns are terrible, comment down below. To my iPad! Ooh, that was so close! Get out of the way! Ugh! Okay, that was so close. Okay. I'm just gonna press continue. A surprise pod! Number 5. Close lap. Collect 65 banana vacuum. No! I didn't even know there were 2 using vacuum. You know that? Oh, that's too much bombs. And too much laser things. Oh, look, Cleus. Oh, and guys, did you see this spaghetti tree? Oh, no. The movie came out. Not too long, but a short while ago. All power-ups last 12 seconds. How much bananas do I have? Oh, you're good at dancing. Okay. I failed.
Oh my gosh! These guys are gonna attack me.
I'm just gonna go play some Subway Surfers. Well, here in Subway Surfers. Now I'm really good at this game. John keeps on hacking Subway Surfers, I don't know why. Why? Mustafa, Alexandra, Egypt. Still Halloween in Mexico, isn't it? Ugh, hurry up.
How is that even possible?
Hoverboard in the house. Alright, let's do this. A sheep. No, I'm gonna get a new thing right now. We gotta collect it fast, or else we gotta get blocks. Okay, wow. Look at this place, it's so shiny, it's so bright, it's so shiny. I never knew that I could come here because it's so shiny, whiny. I'm going back to my home, I am not gonna leave here. I am going to leave here. I'm gonna leave here. Woo! No. I'm good at this game. No, I'm not gonna die in this game. I'm not gonna die at all. I'm gonna live forever. I'm not gonna die at all. And I don't care if the police is running after me. Because I'm gonna hoverboard. And if I get a hoverboard, then I'm gonna get a hoverboard. It's gonna be over soon. Okay, it's going terribly fast. Yeah, I got one of these. It's going really fast. Not fair. Time to play a new game. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you subscribed already, if you didn't subscribe and then comment down below. Well, you subscribed and like the video, share, and peace.